Now we will discuss the next type of chemical reaction, that is oxidation reaction. Our next type is oxidation reaction. Oxidation word is consist of two words, that is oxygen plus addition. It consists of two words, oxygen plus addition. Hence, oxidation reactions are defined as those reactions which are taking place by addition of oxygen. Just like carbon reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, this is an example of oxidation reaction. Similarly, when hydrogen reacts with oxygen to produce water molecule, it is also an example of oxidation, because in these reactions oxygen is adding to the another molecule. There is one more definition for oxidation reaction in terms of hydrogen. In terms of hydrogen, it is defined as removal of hydrogen, either addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. In case of hydrogen molecule, when no oxygen is present in the reaction, then oxidation reactions are defined as the reactions which are taking place by removing of hydrogen gas. Similarly, when hydrogen sulfide reacts with chlorine gas, it produces hydrochloric acid along with sulfur. As in this reaction, hydrogen is removed from hydrogen sulfide, therefore it is also an oxidation reaction. Hence, oxidation reactions are defined as either addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Next type of chemical reaction is reduction reaction. Our next type of chemical reaction is reduction reaction. Reduction reaction is just opposite of oxidation reaction. Here the word re represents removal. Removal of oxygen. In case of reduction reaction is defined as removal of oxygen, means the reactions which are taking place by removing of oxygen is known as reduction reaction. For example, electrolysis reaction of water molecule. In electrolysis of water, oxygen is removed from water and there is formation of hydrogen and oxygen gas. Therefore, this is an example of reduction reaction. Also, it has one more definition in terms of hydrogen. In terms of hydrogen, it is defined as the chemical reaction which is taking place by addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. Just like in case of ammonia, when ammonia is treated with chlorine gas. It produces hydrochloric acid along with nitrogen gas. Here, hydrogen is added to chlorine. Hydrogen is added to chlorine to form hydrochloric acid. Therefore, it is an example of reduction reaction. Hence, reduction reactions are defined as those reactions which are taking place either by removal of oxygen or by addition of oxygen. It is just opposite of oxidation reaction. Now, the next type of chemical reaction is redox reaction. Next type of chemical reaction is redox reaction. Redox reactions are those reactions in which both oxidation as well as reduction reactions are taking place simultaneously. Redox reactions are those reactions which are in which both oxidation as well as reduction are taking place simultaneously. For example, in case of ammonia, when ammonia is reacted with chlorine, it produces hydrochloric acid along with nitrogen gas. Here, chlorine undergoes addition of hydrogen, means it undergoes reduction reaction, and ammonia undergoes removal of hydrogen. Therefore, it is an example of oxidation reaction. As in this chemical reaction, both oxidation as well as reduction are taking place simultaneously. Therefore, it is an example of redox reaction. Redox reactions are those reactions in which both oxidation as well as reduction are taking place simultaneously. In our daily life, mostly reactions are redox reaction, means in those reactions both oxidation and reduction are taking place simultaneously.